Poppy K and her weekly vlogs, shopping, reading and her monologues. Poppy K and her weekly vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share. Good morning. In the office, in my Griswold top. Look at this. Can you see that? Yeah. We're allowed to wear Christmas jumpers for this month. I'm going to show you the dog of the month in a minute. There he is, dog of the month. Right, I better get on with my work. Roper dropped out of school to become a ghost talker, and she now speaks to Edinburgh's dead, carrying messages to the living. A girl's got to earn a living, and it seems harmless enough, until, that is, the dead whisper that someone's bewitching children, leaving them husks, empty of joy and life. It's on Roper's patch, so she feels honour bound to investigate, but what she learns will change her world. A gripping and fast-moving young adult alternative reality fantasy novel with really effective world building, an engaging protagonist and a well-crafted plot. Good morning. We are here on a very stormy day. As you can tell, it's so dark. I mean, so dark. What time is it? I think it's only about 8 o'clock though. Just gone 8 o'clock in the morning, but that doesn't really matter to you, does it? I have literally just finished The Library of the Dead and Andy. Brilliant. I have got the other two. I don't know whether to start it. Oh crikey, that frightened the life out of me. Out there, I've got like a heart wreath and it just literally blew straight out. That is what I have just finished. And thoroughly enjoyed it. The world building in here, I must say, even if you don't know what Edinburgh is like today, I think the way that it's the world building and the way that it's described in here, you could get a very good sense of what it looks like. But it's amazing. It takes you on a journey, definitely, throughout the city. Personally, this is my only thing. I think there could have been a little bit more magic, but maybe that's to come in the later books. I don't quite know, but I would probably like to have a little bit more magic. It reminded me very much of it's a set of books by V. Schwab. If I remember, I'll put a little picture of them here, and I listened to them on Everard or whatever it's called nowadays, the old Scribd. I listened to them on there and it reminds me a little bit of that. That is about a girl who can talk to ghosts as well, and has a ghost following her and stuff like that, and her parents are clairvoyants, ghost talkers, not psychics. Is it psychics? Whatever, anyway, that type of thing. And yeah, so it reminded me a lot of that in some aspects, but as I say, really good, thoroughly enjoyed it, and it was nice to get something a little bit different, because obviously I'm always reading old Mass here, Sarah J. Maas, and I just wanted something a little bit different, and this fed that need. I still haven't, I don't think I've got any further. I'm on chapter 10 of Outlander. I'm literally just going to pick this up as and when, so because they're such hefty books and things, what I do want to do though is try and get this done so I can watch the first series. So as I say, I have got the second book for this. I just don't know. I might read it, I might not. I've got a couple of my Lumacrate books I need to read as well. Well, not that I need to read, I want to read. It's just finding the time at the moment, isn't it? Because Christmas and everything, and working in retail, not the best to get time to do what you want. But anyway, we were going to go to Worcester today as well to go and look at the Christmas trees in the cathedral, but because of the weather we've decided we're going to go tomorrow. So we'll get up, I think the church opens at 12:30, so what we might do is get up, have a bit of breakfast and maybe go and have some lunch, or go and have some lunch, like a brunch maybe, and do that instead. So, and my son's off to Stourbridge today, so I've got to take him to the station. Hopefully the trains are running. So that is what we've got. I might do a little bit of crafting as well, but just literally we're sitting around watching TV, reading, relaxing, maybe doing a little bit of housework. I'm washing my bed sheets as we are speaking right now. Tom will put his in after. Yeah, so that is everything. Can probably catch up with you a bit later, but I'll show you what it looks like outside right now. I mean, to me it's not that bad, but because when we lived in Scotland, I used to live up on the, I'll sit here so you can see, used to live up on the Moray Firth, in a little village called White Hills, and I remember going to school and the weather sometimes, I mean, it would blow a hoolie, as they would say, and my God, yeah, it was, you still had to go to school and all that, so everyone just still carried on with everything. We lived right on the top of the village, and our house looked over like the whole village. Now there's loads of houses because there was a big field next to where we lived, but now there's like loads of houses. And in our kitchen we had this big window, and you could see the harbour straight from our window, and the scene every time you looked out that window was different. But when it was really windy, I mean, the waves used to crash over the harbour wall and everything. You'd see the trawler ships coming in. Oh, it was frightening sometimes, but I think that's why I love Scotland so much, just because of the wild ruggedness and the people are just amazing as well. So anyway, that's why I married a Scotsman. So anyway, I shall see you later, and probably fill you in on what I've been up to. the wind still hasn't stopped, so we've decided we are not going to go to Worcester today because we had loads of trees and stuff fall down across roads and stuff like that. Yeah, we thought we'll play it safe, let everything get back to normal, and we'll just sit it out, so to speak. So I've got a nice roast dinner to cook anyway, so we'll be having roast dinner. So that's the plan for today. I've just been reading a little bit more of Outlander. I'm on part 3 now, so yeah. I don't know what else to read though. Do I just go in for that second book? I've got it here. So these are the 3 that I've got. So I read that one yesterday. Well, finished it yesterday. Then it's this one, I think. So I've got that. I could read that, and then that's the 3rd, and then there's a 4th a 4th one out, isn't there? So I might see if I can get this one in paperback somewhere, because this is a hardback. So that's that. I just don't know. I think I've got too much choice, and now I'm like, what do I read? So I never showed you our Christmas cards, did I? I've sent them out now, so I can show you them. So it's not going to spoil the surprise. So I designed these and then I got them printed. There's our Christmas card for everyone this year. And then you just have it, I put that on the inside. Next year's, I can't wait for next year's. So that is our Christmas card for this year. Love it. Right, I'm gonna make a fresh cup of coffee, and I'll catch up with you later. Yo! Hello. How are we today? I'm good. Update. Wait there. Just wait. I started reading the second book in the series, so Our Lady of Mysterious Ailments. I am on currently, let me just have a look because I was listening to it a little bit at work. Chapter 24, so let's just do that. Yeah, so chapter 24 is where I am, so I'm roughly about halfway. There we go. I'm roughly about halfway. So I've only got a little bit of time left on that, so I'll probably have that finished. Again, enjoying it, loving it, just loving it. But I will give you a full update on next week's vlog because this is the end of this vlog. Our plans were scuppered, obviously, because of the storm. However, we've got something quite exciting coming up. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Oh God, it's so cold. And that's it really. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have made it this far, anything yellow, because my book's yellow. Look at that. Ooh, hello, hello. Right, anyway. I'm going to go now, so I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Tatty bye.